Want to see it? We just want to try them jump.
Traditional Masai dancing looks a lot like jumping. A circle is formed, and one at a time, warriors jump as high as they can. More than a competition, however, jump dancing provides an opportunity to bond with tribesmen, flirt with girls, and even compete with neighboring Masai communities. The highest jumper of the community often becomes the hunt leader. A crucial accumulating livestock rather than consuming it is common practice.
See, when they show us in this light, they're how you thinking that this is what we've been doing over here, feeding goats.
That the milk of the animal plays a huge role in the Masai diet.
Milking goats. This the light they want to show to me and now. And I'm guaranteeing you these paid actors right here. You feel me? But the Masai, very powerful tribe, and I told you what they known for doing. Some of the things they known for doing. All right? Stay focused though. Let's stay focused though. All right? You got the Karo. Let's look them up. Hoping y'all taking notes. These 9 different tribes. All right. See what they say about them on here. Okay. So notice though. That's why I'm going to Google. I don't want to say nothing. I just want to see, because they ain't gonna never give us our props, y'all. So let's look at what they lying about. And even when they lying, they still giving these certain 9 tribes props. And the way I'm pointing these 9 tribes out to you tonight, they not gonna point them out to you in that format. You know what I'm saying? And when they do, they're not gonna let you know why they are these as big as they really are. It was never no Africans over there on that landmass. It was all tribes. And these are the tribes, the Zulu, the Masai. These are the tribes that was there. These are the guys and goddesses that took on tribal names that was already over there once the war took place. And over here we took on tribal names. So over in Africa, we're not, there's no such thing as Africa. It's a lie. Right? This realm is Atlantis. We are Atlanteans and Anunnaki gods and goddesses. Okay? So on the present day landmass of Africa, you had the Zulu, the Karo, the Masai. Different tribes. Over in present day North America, you had the Cherokee, the Illinois. You had, so we were tribes. That's why it's called the real history of Africa, because I want to tell the real story of the continent. Okay, and what it was used for it was really where Zeus was conducting all his bullshit at. This why in his world, in his matrix, he makes Africa the mother of all and says she has all the resources. When in reality, that keeps everybody looking at Africa when he doing all the dirt over here in North America, and that's where everything's at. All right, so the Karo tribe are arguably naturally artistic. They are known for their alluring and intricate body and face painting. They decorate their faces and bodies with using chalk and natural minerals. But they do more than that. You see what I'm saying? They do more than that, y'all. But this is what they limit them. This is what they limit them to. Face painting. But they don't even know the true reason they paint themselves the white and black. But yeah, so this tribe, all right, is a tribe that was one of the first tribes that were able to come into certain different type of technologies, a la Wakanda vibes, all right, that allowed them to access certain dimensions within the realm. Understanding metaphysics at a far different rate than these oppressors, they use the face paint and the body paint for the vibration.
Peace to the gods and goddesses of the planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media using hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.